So I woke up this morning and I woke up to this. See, this is a search term for SEO Mayfair. Mayfair's a rather posh district in London. SEO difficulty 60 out of 100. On-page difficulty, so optimizing the website itself 78 out of 100. Off-page 51 out of 100. So quite a tough term to rank for. This one here, this is actually a listing of all SEO, of everything in Mayfair, basically. Mayfair, London. You pay to be in there. I think it's like 500 quid a year or something. And I woke up to this. Look, second place. Organic listing for SEO Mayfair is me there, Darren Boyle. Let's have a look at some others. The SEO consultant in Mayfair. SEO consultant. I come up first, above the Mayfair London directory site. And above all of these other SEO agencies. Let's have a look at another one. Let's do SEO expert. Again, you got the map listings, you got the directory thing, and then there's me, number 2. So why is this special? Well, just quickly, have a look here. The date that this page was published was the 19th of April, and it's now the 23rd of April. So that's taken, 3 or 4 days? So you know, I've changed my clock. This is Google search, so it's 23rd of April. I published that page on the 19th of April 2022, and in just a couple of days I've taken over first page. SEO expert Mayfair in London, same place, but for international searches. See what happens. There I am, number 1. So in 4 days I've taken on one of the wealthiest districts in London and ranked first. So if you want to know how to do this, how I did it so quickly, and how you can rank any website, and I do mean any website, on the first page of Google in 1 month or less, then I have something special for you. See, I am putting together a live workshop where I'm going to be teaching this stuff. We're going to go through together. We're going to build a website together. I'm going to answer all your questions, how to choose your keywords, where to put your title tags, everything you need to know to get a website ranked in 1 month or less on the first page of Google will be in this live workshop. You can come here, you can watch a video where I go through everything explaining what the workshop's about. Now this is a limited workshop. Obviously I don't want 30 people all shouting at me asking me questions and things, so I'm limiting this to 10 people. If you want to attend this live workshop, you can simply come here, click on the apply for the workshop button. This is for anyone who's tried to build a website before, built one, hasn't ranked, any business starting up, anyone wondering why their website isn't bringing in any traffic or sales, anyone who wants to rebuild their website, revamp it, make it look a bit better. Anyone wanting to start a web design agency. Now, bear in mind, you can sell a website for well over £1,000. I charge $1,750 for an SEO optimized website. And after this masterclass, this live workshop, you will know how to do that. And you can do it without getting caught up in Google sandbox. This is massive. Whenever a new website is released to the searches, Google holds it back till it knows that it can trust that website. So this is what we're going to cover on the workshop. How to choose the best keywords using free tools. How to hide your SEO data inside your media and images. Now this is huge. This is nobody does this, and yet if you take a photo on your camera or on your phone, anywhere in the world, what's stored inside that file is the information about the camera that took the photo, where the photo was taken, and everything. I'm going to show you how you can hack that data to get better ranking, where to use the best keywords in your page content, how to link between pages, the proper website structure, where to build your first link so that you avoid the sandbox. Now, this is crazy. Nobody else teaches this. There's a website you can go on, type in a keyword, it tells you all the links that you need, and it will even go out and build them for you. Anyway, these are links that keep you out of the sandbox, take you straight to Google page 1 in 1 month or less. And on top of that, you'll also get these free bonuses. Bonus number 1, you'll get a 40-minute strategy call with me, so I can share my screen, go over the work you've done on your website, analyze it for you, and tell you if you've done anything wrong or how you can improve on anything, so that basically your website's guaranteed to rank on page 1 in 1 month or less. How you can become omnipresent on all channels. Now, what that means is basically you'll have a branded profile all over the internet. Anywhere anyone look, it will all match up, it will all be branded, and you don't actually have to do any of this work. That's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, how to get all of your links built for you practically overnight. Now, again, like I said, this is the secret sauce. No, it doesn't come from Fiverr. It doesn't come from any dodgy providers like that. It doesn't even come from the top internet providers or the top SEO providers. This is something completely different, and this is the bit that 99 people miss out on. That is why they get stuck in the sandbox and they could be there for months. So why should you attend this? Well, who am I? I've been providing SEO services for over 15 years. I was awarded SEO Consultant of the Year in 2019 by Corporate Vision magazine, and again, Best SEO and Lead Gen Specialist in 2020. I took a year off, funny enough, to follow another pursuit. Didn't work out quite as well as this. And then in 2022, I was featured on Social Apps HQ for the best SEO agencies in Kent. I'm also ranked in the top 5% of all SEOs globally on LinkedIn. I've generated hundreds of thousands of pounds for my customers and held the number 1 spot on Google for the Kent SEO expert for well over a decade, probably 15 years. I've outranked massive national brands like B&Q and Travis Perkins and like huge household names. I've outranked their website, and that's kept the little guys in business. So if you want to learn from someone who, like I said, literally took over Mayfair SEO in the space of 3 days, 4 days. I could have been there yesterday, I could have been there the day before, but I only checked it today. So like I said, go to my website, darrenboyle.uk, apply for this live workshop. I said it's going to be limited to 10 people only, and I'll show you exactly how I've done this. So I hope to see you there.